nutritious at a low cost.
Healthy eating doesn't have to be expensive. By picking the right pantry staples, you can create nutritious, tasty meals without breaking the bank. Discover the best affordable ingredients to stock up on, making it easier to eat well every day while sticking to your budget.
Brown rice and whole grains.
Brown rice, oats, and quinoa are excellent sources of fiber, vitamins, and minerals. They're filling, versatile, and usually cost less when bought in bulk. Whole grains work for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, support heart health, and keep you energized for longer.
Beans and lentils.
Beans and lentils are packed with plant-based protein, iron, and fiber. Dried or canned varieties are inexpensive and add substance to soups, salads, and stews. They keep you full, support muscle health, and are a staple in many healthy, budget-friendly recipes.
Frozen and canned vegetables.
Frozen and canned vegetables are affordable, convenient, and nutritious. They're picked at peak ripeness, locking in vitamins and minerals. Use them in stir-fries, pastas, or side dishes to add color and nutrients to meals, especially when fresh produce is costly or out of season.
Eggs.
Eggs are one of the most budget-friendly sources of high-quality protein. They're rich in vitamins D and B12 and can be prepared in countless ways. Whether eaten for breakfast or added to rice bowls and salads, eggs are a staple in healthy, low-cost cooking.
Canned fish.
Canned fish, like tuna or salmon, offers protein and omega-3 fats at a low price. These nutrients support heart and brain health. Enjoy canned fish in salads, sandwiches, or pasta dishes for a quick, nutritious meal that won't stretch your budget.
Potatoes and sweet potatoes.
Potatoes and sweet potatoes are hearty, inexpensive, and full of nutrients like vitamin C, potassium, and fiber. They can be baked, mashed, or roasted as a filling side or main dish. Their versatility and storage life make them an essential pantry staple.
Nut butter.
Natural peanut or other nut butters deliver protein, healthy fats, and minerals affordably. Spread them on whole grain toast, stir into oatmeal, or pair with fruit for a nourishing snack. Look for simple varieties with minimal added sugars or oils for the best health benefits.
Plain yogurt.
Plain yogurt is an inexpensive source of protein and probiotics, which support gut health. Avoid flavored types with extra sugar and add your own fruit, honey, or nuts for sweetness and texture. Yogurt works for breakfast, snacks, or as a creamy base for sauces and dressings.
Seasonal fresh produce.
Buying produce in season offers nutrition and savings. Fresh fruits and vegetables are often cheaper and tastier during their peak. Visit local markets or choose sale items to add variety and vitamins to your meals, making healthy eating more affordable.
Affordable nutrition every day.
Building a healthy, budget-friendly pantry starts with these staples. Mix and match them to craft filling, balanced meals without overspending. With a little planning, nutritious cooking can be simple, satisfying, and affordable for everyone.